Today I'm going to be showing you how to put text over your reels inside of CapCut. I took this video out of my video editing course, Edit Like a Savvy Pro, where I show you how to edit videos in under 3 hours on CapCut. So if you're interested in that, definitely click the link down below to get it. And in the meantime, enjoy this tutorial.
All right, and another viral video content idea that usually doesn't require much effort is you can again use B-roll, but put some type of information on top of it. So for example, in this video, I said 5 common mistakes people make when editing, right? And then I slowly but surely listed the items that they did. This usually does well because again, they're reading, so it's making them watch the video longer, and also they may not get it all at one place, so they might have to watch it over. And also it's informational, so they might share it or they might save it depending on how much value they find in it. So how you do that is you add your B-roll, of course, on the lower layer, and then you add your text on the layers above. So you would come up here, add your text, and this is already down here, but you would basically add it down here. So let me actually just delete everything so I can show you guys how I did that. So again, 5 common mistakes. So I brought the text down here and then stretched it all the way out. Now for the other 5 common mistakes. So 1, 2, and you want to make sure it's like spaced out so people are not reading it all at once. Or you can have them read it all at once, but I like to have it spaced out so they don't read it and then swipe up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Need one more. So just again, grab that text and then put it down here. And make sure it's spaced out a little bit more. So I'm going to put my reasons. So number 1, not having a plan in place. And let's see how that looks. So this is super, you can't see it basically. So you could change the style down here. Maybe your video might be different. Maybe you'll be able to see the text, but I know in this video I can't. I'm just gonna move it up a little bit. This one, not having a plan in place. 2, not getting to the point. Just make sure that's capitalized. 3, doing color correction last. Or choosing the wrong music. And then 5, which would be right here, perfectionism. Just drag that down here. So yeah, now you have the list of all 5, and it comes in one by one. Now again, with this, you can choose the audio from up here. And you can add one of these songs. I'm just going to choose this one because it's like the first one here.
Now you're storming at my house.
There you go. And now you have a video. Doesn't even require you to put your face on the camera. So that's what I think is so powerful about these type of videos.
Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.